Hello, today I'll be showing you how to record using OBS. If you want to record a game or anything really, you could use display capture to record it. But if you want to record a game, I recommend using game capture, but it doesn't really matter. You could use either one. Display capture obviously captures your display. You can pick whichever display you want to use. If you want to record your audio, click Audio Input Capture, and then just click OK. Then click that and click whatever device you're using, and then click OK. If you want to record a game or just your screen, click Display Capture, OK. Pick whichever display you want, and then click OK. If you want to record your face or anything IRL, click Video Capture Device, click OK, click whichever camera you're using, and then do all of these settings. If you want to put an image, click Image, OK, put the file of the image there, and then OK. Okay, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.